Hello dear traders, in this lecture I will talk about the portfolio expert advisors which are available in EA Studio, and I think this is the only strategy builder that provides portfolio expert advisors. So far I didn't see any other. So what are the portfolio expert advisors? These are expert advisors that contain many strategies inside. With simple words, all these strategies that I have for the euro pound, and in this case I have the 10 which I placed on the MetaTrader, but even they are more, I can add these strategies to one expert advisor. So one expert advisor will trade these strategies on one chart in MetaTrader. Now some of the students say it's a lot of work to place many expert advisors on different charts in MetaTrader, to open new charts and to place the expert advisors over it. For me, it's not really a lot of work. I don't think it will take anybody more than 10 minutes to do it, or a little bit longer if you do it for first time. However, the solution for that is portfolio expert advisors. So if I go back to EA Studio, you can see that next to the expert advisor for MT4 and MT5 buttons from where we export the strategies, we have this plus button which says add to portfolio. If I click on it, you will see that the strategy goes to the portfolio. Now let me click on all of the strategies from this collection, and these strategies will go to the portfolio. And the interesting here is that you will see the compiled backtest. I will calculate it and you will see what is the difference. Okay, much smoother line, no huge stagnations. In this case the maximum stagnation is 6.56%, and if you compare it with the stagnation of all strategies, you will see that we have 27, 13, 19, 31 and so on, and you can compare the backtest equity lines. Okay, here is the portfolio, much smoother, and this is exactly the idea when we trade many strategies simultaneously, that when one strategy loses, for example this strategy at this moment is losing, but you can see at this moment this strategy makes profit as well, this one, and I think this one as well over here. Okay, so they compensate each other. When one loses, the others compensate for the loss. And this is why when we backtest portfolio expert advisors, we see much better result. Now keep in mind that one portfolio expert advisor is for one time frame for one asset. So you cannot put into one portfolio expert different strategies from different currency pairs or assets or different time frames. One portfolio expert advisor is for one currency pair and for one time frame. After that, you can export it. And if you click on the export button, you can see that it says portfolio expert hedging MT4, and it's not available for MetaTrader 5 because most of the brokers with MetaTrader 5, they don't provide hedging. And I can place this portfolio expert advisor in one chart in MetaTrader, and the strategies will open and close trades there. Now something important to know is that the portfolio expert advisors are available only for the licensed users of EA Studio. Okay, they are not available with the trial accounts, and this is the only difference between the trial account of Expert Advisor Studio and the licensed account. Everything rest is 100% the same. Just if you are on a trial account, you will not be able to export the portfolio. You can put some strategies into the portfolio to see what is the combined backtest, but you will not be able to export it as a portfolio. And how I am using the portfolio expert advisors? Normally I trade with couple of portfolio expert advisors, but I trade them straight away to the live account, because the difference is that when we trade portfolio of expert advisors, we trade all the strategies together and we can remove from the code, which is very easy actually. one of the strategy or two of the strategies or the strategies that don't perform well. So let's say these strategies are from one portfolio expert advisor. They trade on one chart, and what I do is I leave in this expert advisor the profitable strategies and I remove the losing ones. Once again, this is very easy to be done from the code of the portfolio expert. So the difference is that when we trade with separate expert advisors, I test them on a demo account and I select the current profitable strategies to trade on the live account, while when I'm trading with portfolio expert advisors, I need to place them on the live account and to remove the strategies that are not performing according to my expectation or acceptance criteria that I keep here while following the results. Okay, these are just two different methods, and if you want to trade with portfolio expert advisors, I would suggest you again to trade first on a demo account. Alright, so this is pretty much about the quick guide in EA Studio. Don't hesitate to ask me any questions if you have about the generator, about the acceptance criteria, the strategy properties. If there is something not clear, don't hesitate to ask questions in our forum. I do my best to answer within 12 hours. There are already many experienced traders and users of EA Studio. They will answer your questions as well, and they will share their experience with you. Thank you for watching and enjoy trading, and especially trading with expert advisors. Cheers!